Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. It's time to plant some garlic. I've got 6 bulbs of garlic, and there's about an average of 15 bulbs in each of these. So if you want to do the math on that, it'll be about 90 bulbs if all of them make, and I may have I may have 100 cloves planted when it's all said and done, but I'll have plenty of garlic. You plant garlic about 2 inches deep, and this will be pointed up, this top piece. And I have made the mistake. I was in a hurry one time and planted it upside down. Weren't thinking. I was like, why ain't my garlic coming up? But that happens on the farm sometimes. But that's how you plant it, 2 inches deep, 6 inches apart. You want pretty much full sunlight on your garlic, and at least 6 hours anyway. And you can plant on terraces in pots. However, garlic in pots doesn't tend to get that big for your bulbs. Well, when they're ready to harvest, it'll have a green stalk come out of it, and when it's turning brown or about halfway brown, they're ready to pull out of the ground. Well, then you store them upside down in a cool, dry place to let them dry out for longer storage. Now, if you nick any of these pulling them up, go ahead and use those, because those won't last as long. And pick out your best ones to plant again next year. And with that many bulbs of garlic, I doubt any family would eat that much, but maybe you love garlic. I certainly do, but I'll give a lot of it away. My nanny said you never could have a good harvest unless you blessed other people with it. That don't mean selling it neither, just giving it to them. And I gave some garlic away this past year on mine, and it's in pickling jars. And I'm glad to be able to give some of it away. It makes me happy. But once you plant it, you can water it the first little while. And I plant mine, I've got rabbit manure in the pots that's still pretty active. And I'll put in some of my special rabbit tea in there to water it with, along with some Miracle Grow. And I've got about 80 cents in each of these bulbs. So you say average of 15 cloves out of there. And if I get 90 bulbs of garlic, I will be doing good. I'll have a lot of garlic, and a lot of it will be given away. But that's $72 that I've created out of $4.80. And I don't really look at it at that, because there's the physical investment too. By doing that, I don't have to get to a gym, because I'm out there working, getting something done. And plus, it's hard to beat something when you grow it yourself as far as taste-wise. And with the times we're in, you need to have every bit of food under your control that you can have. Instead of planting flowers, plant cabbage, plant whatever. Look at your area and see what you can plant, and possibly make it through winter with, into summer, because I don't know what we're going to have to face, folks. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.